Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 8th question. What is that? They are given the third term and ninth term as 4 and minus 8. So we have to find, in an AP they are given, we have to find which term is equal to 0. That is, which term? That is, nth term they are given, that is 0. But we have to find what is the n value. So first what they are given here is, let's going to write what is the nth term. an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So here they are given the third term and ninth term. So we have to find what is the first term and what is the difference, common difference in a AP. Then again we are going to substitute the nth term equal to 0. So first third term, that is a3. So here n is equals to 3. That implies a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n will be equal to 3 minus 1 into d. So let's go into third term. They are given 4. A plus 3 minus 1 will be 2d. So here we got it 4 equal to a plus 2d. So that is, let's going to take equation 1. Then what is the n will be equal to 9. That implies a9 will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a we don't know, right as it is. N is the 9 minus 1 into d. So a9 will be equal to minus 8. So minus 8 will be equal to a plus n minus 1. 9 minus 1 will be 8d. So this one, let's going to take, this is the equation 2. So we need to solve a and d here. So for that, let's going to take, what you can take it here is, so a plus, so 2 minus 1 or whatever it is, let's going to take 2 minus 1, that is subtract first equation from the second equation. So second equation is a plus 8d will be equal to minus 8. And what is the first equation? A plus 2d will be equal to 4. So subtraction means symbols will going to change. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So plus a minus a will going to cancel. Then 8d minus 2d will be equal to minus 8 minus 4. So minus 8 minus 4 will become minus 12. That is addition, but symbol is same. But so 8d minus 2d, we will get it as, what is that? 8d minus 2d, that is 6d. So d will be equal to minus 12 by d. Sorry, 6 ones are, then 6 twos are, that is minus 2. So what is the common difference here? Minus 2. D value will be equal to minus 2. So d is equals to minus 2. Then what is the a value? So substitute, what you can say, substitute d equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So what is the equation 1 here? A plus 2d will be equal to 4. A plus 2d will be equal to 4. Then a will be a plus 2 into minus 2 will be equal to 4. Then a minus 2 to the 4, that will be equal to 4. Then a is equals to what? So let's going to take a is equals to 4 plus 4, that is, what is this? 8. So a is equals to 8. So what is the first term? A, 8. Then what is the second term? We don't know, but the third term is 4. So now what is the nth term? So which term? So here a n they are given that 0. So which term is 0? That is a n. Nth term we have to find it. So what is the nth term? That is a plus n minus 1 into d, that will be equal to 0. So a we know that is 8 plus n minus 1 into d will be equal to minus 2 will be equal to 0. So now what you can take it, n minus 1 into minus 2, that will be equal to minus 8. So this 8, if you shift to the right side, it will become minus 8. Plus 8 will become minus 8. So let's take it. So n minus 1, that will be equal to minus 8 by minus 2. Minus minus will going to cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Then n minus 1 will be equal to 4. That is, n is equals to 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5. So n is equals to 5. Then what you can say here is, therefore fifth term in given AP will be equal to 0. So that is a fifth term. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe.